today with another hair review for you guys. I sound snuffy right now because I'm trying to get over a cold. You know, it's that time of the year, the weather's changing, outside's getting cold. I do apologize for my voice in advance. I do really sound like shit right now. So I'm back with another hair video for you guys today, and the hair that I'll be showing you guys today is from Yo Wigs. That's the name of the hair company. So this is my unit right here. This is a 360 lace front wig. As you guys can see, the lace does go all around the perimeter of the hair. This is what the unit looks like. The hair does come pre-plucked, and also it does come with baby hairs. I'm just gonna put it on my arm and show you guys the baby hairs in the front there. So the hair does come with baby hairs. The unit comes with 4 clips inside, 3 on the top and 1 in the back to secure your unit. Also, it does come with the adjustable straps on the insides right there. So the unit comes curled, so it comes with these cute little curls on it. I really like this, and not to mention the hair, you guys, is extremely soft. Alright, so now that I've went in and cut off all that extra lace on the unit, we're just gonna, you know, try it onto my head and see how it fits. Also, I will have all the, all the specs and details listed down below. I know I already have my hair braided onto my head, a little wrap cap. So I'm gonna try this wig because I want to see how well it fits on my head and all that. Okay, so the lace definitely fits, and yeah, I don't think this lace could fit any more perfect than it already does. So ear to ear, it fits perfect. And also, I'm actually turning around so you guys can see the sizing on the back. Okay, so the back of this unit also fits perfectly. This wig gets a thumbs up already. Alright, so far I'm actually really liking this wig because the sizing is just right. So you know what, you guys, I'm actually gonna go into my bathroom and just, you know, lay down my wig really quick so that this video is not too long. And this is the hair after I went ahead and, you know, laid down the front. So now my hair is laid down, it's not going anywhere. The lace on this unit did come with the knots bleach. Also, the lace is so thin that once you lay it down, like, it literally just melts into your scalp. And I just love how the lace is not too thick in the front. Usually if the lace is really thick, it just doesn't look bright when you lay it down. So this one is really thin and nice. Really love the lace on this unit, not to mention how soft the hair is right now. So I'm just adding a side part to this unit. Body smoking like a cigarette. So that's where I'm going to part off the unit, and as usual I'm going to take some mousse and we're just going to lay down this side over here. And I'm just adding the mousse to the areas that I parted off just so it lays flat and I don't have any bumps or any bulks there. Then I'm taking some concealer and I'm just going to be lightening that part in space so that it appears more natural. And also it gives it the illusion that the wig is actually like coming out of my scalp. So it just looks a lot more realistic. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. And I'm just taking my flat iron and I'm just recurling the hair. So in the meantime, while I do this, I'm just going to give you guys some details on the hair itself. So like I said, this is their 360 lace front wig. The density of this hair is 200. The hairline is pre-plucked, and also the knots did come bleached. So the hairline that I got is a 22 inch. The texture is wavy. Like I said, the density is 200. The lace color is medium brown, and the knots were bleached in the front. And I've been wearing this hair now for about 4 days now since I did the video. And I must say that I really like the hair. It's held up really well. I've slept on the hair. I've curled up the hair. I've even straightened the hair. And the hair does go bone straight. if you have any doubts about purchasing this hair, just go ahead and purchase it. Like, the hair is bomb. Alright, so now I just took my flat iron and I just kind of like curled the hair up a little bit more, just so it looks, you know, it's a little flatter. I didn't like all that crazy curls. I'm just gonna go in and lay some baby hairs on this unit.
Baby, I can smoke it out. You I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around my head and show you guys how, you know, to pin the hair up in a ponytail. All right. The first thing that I usually do is I just tilt my head over and make sure that I get all the hair into my hands first. So I'm using my nails, I'm actually using my fingernails as a comb to like sweep up all the hair that's around the perimeter of this unit. And once I'm done that, I'm actually just gonna pin the hair up with a scrunchie on the top, and I'm just gonna take my headscarf and hold down my lace, so that way once I'm ready to actually pin up my hair into that high ponytail, my lace doesn't shift or anything like that. Because remember, my lace is actually not laid down with glue, it's only being held down with the Got2b Freeze spray. So any little tugging that I do will lift my lace, so that's why I'm using a headscarf to help me pin up the hair.
My baby, I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come on, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know.
Alright, so this pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comment section how you guys feeling this wig. Which way do you prefer, this wig down or up in the ponytail? Yeah, that's about it. I'm about to go take like a bunch of pictures for you guys, so I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'm gonna catch you dolls in my next one. Bye.